All right, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka CramFX, and my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that, we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money, all right? So if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now, sell now, or anything of that sort, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets, and of course, if you're looking for someone to teach you how to trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you had a lovely London session. I know I did. These days I don't really need to be trading New York because Cash has absolutely been nailing the London sessions as always, and it has been pretty intense lately. All right, so give me a quick second. I'm just gonna put up a message on the general chat. Will live market. Okay, done. All right, and again, we're not financial advisors. Okay, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Do not be risking more than 1% or half a percent on any given trade at any given time, you guys. All right, I'm gonna quickly start to share my screen with you guys. Okay, I had this nice level marked out for Nasdaq, but we're not gonna sweat it. We're gonna let price do its thing, update our levels, and work accordingly. Okay, but as of right now, it is a nice little break. There's a lot of bullish divergence that's kicking in, so I wouldn't be looking for the sells anyway. But just because price has broken this, let's switch this up to supply. Okay, let the drop happen. Let the drop happen. Okay, what could we be looking for over here? We could be looking at a nice little buy from here, even though, guys, we're going to be coming into some supply in this region, but we could look to get that move and potentially even push it there and maybe there. Okay, so that's a nice zonal sell that we have. Okay, and let Nasdaq do its thing, you guys. Don't be stressing about Nasdaq. Okay, and of course, if we break this distribution, we're pushing down to that region and then that region. Okay, and if the buys want to start to come back in, give me a second, let's switch over to the hourly and let's catch a nice little level. Okay, so that's going to act up as a higher time frame support. Let's go back to the fives. Okay, look at that. What are the chances, right? What is our higher time frame support? 200. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark up another level over here. That's going to act up as our 5-minute support, and let's see if we want to break that and test out the 200. Okay, I'll get the chat in just a minute, guys. Okay, and let's take a quick look at Goldilocks. That's what gold looks like right now. Lots of supply up there. Okay, and I am seeing the formation of some demand in this region. I personally would be looking for, oops, my bad. I personally would be looking for this move, break this structure, 1, 2, and maybe even 3. Okay, and if we want to continue to go bullish, we'd wait to break that supply, make sure we convert those sellers into buyers, and then we have TP1 over here. Okay, let's take a quick look at the Scalper Pro. Alright, nasty, oversold, pushing back up. Lots of divergence on Nasdaq, you guys. Lots of, look at that heavy divergence. Okay, I know a lot of you are most likely going to be selling this market. It's completely up to you guys if you want to do that. Me personally, I stay away from these sort of trades. Okay. Good morning, good morning, Space, my man, Deep Mind. What's up? Hi, Emily. I have cells on gold. Awesome. Parv. I'm sorry if I'm gonna butcher your name, but wow. Naraha Risetti. Ramchandra, 221, gold. Yes. Okay. Muhammad, what's up? Good evening, buddy. I wrote you a DM, just giving you a quick review on spreads and FTMO since you. Oh, thank you so much, brother. I'm so sorry I didn't take a look at it. I'll look at it right after the stream. You've already messaged me, bro? I'm sorry, man. You know how it is with my DMs. All right, I'll get to it right after the session. All right, buddy. Thanks, my man. Hi, Serious Dan. How's it going, brother? Lovely. Welcome, people on YouTube. Welcome to Forex Trading. If it's your first time watching us, we scalp these markets. We're technical traders. We use price action, and we trade these markets zone to zone. All right. So if you guys are new on here, if it's the first time that you're on our stream, then watch what it is that we do, and we'll see how price wants to make its moves coming into the session. Okay. 5-minute resistance here. Quick scalp, one-on-ones, but again, let's wait. Let's wait. Okay. No point rushing into nothing. Okay. Where could the sells possibly continue to kick in? Here. So let's have the sells on Nasdaq down here. If on the release of news we're going to have that pop. Also, guys, I'm not going to be able to stay till market open. So yes, we're going to do news. I'll stay for a couple of minutes after, and we're going to call it. Okay. Let's get these buys up there. Break that supply, turn it into a nice level for a buy, and we'll see how that wants to play out. Okay, so we've got our zones marked out. Watch for US 30 having a little bit of that push to the downside. My recommendation today would be, guys, wait for price to close. Okay. Gold's on the 15-minute. Yes, it is. Yes, intentional. Look at the 5 minutes. It's too much information, too much of unnecessary information. You know what I mean, JJ? But yeah, let's have gold on the 15s today. Cool. So let's see. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now, you guys? Anyone in on anything, or are we just watching? How did gold sell? Okay. Yeah, I like the potential sells that could come in as well. It's a straight price action move. You know, my only concern over here is we do have some room to go overbought, but that should be a short-term trend. It shouldn't really be a full move because, yes, this would technically be the 618 level on the FIB, so we do have 50% to still push to get a full retracement off this move, but we're gonna have to see how it works. All right, so basically I'm not gonna speak trading mumbo jumbo to you guys. Let me just mute everyone, give me a second. Okay, so like okay, I'm not going to be speaking trading mumbo jumbo to you guys. What I meant by the fibs is if we break past this, we're most likely getting that fill back to the upside. Okay. Cool. So we're holding over here as of right now on all across the board. US 30 is having some distribution that's going on as we speak, but again, there is some bullish divergence. Okay, let's see. It's weight game, you guys. It's weight game. All right. So we've got news in about the next 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. If news is positive in gold, USA, Nash drops, since they have an inverse correlation, the opposite is also true. Absolutely. Okay, I see a lot of people feeling gold sells. Are y'all in any sort of positions already, or are we just watching? I want to see how gold reacts around this demand zone, and only then am I gonna try and hop into anything. Okay, because you'll need to understand that if news is volumized, there's a good chance, a very good chance, that we may also push back up. Okay, so again, there's no such thing as having a right or a wrong level. Yes, having your key levels is important, and it's not something that everyone can do. But what I'm trying to say is, as long as you identify structure, there's no right or wrong structure. You know what I mean? The only thing that's lacking is, guys, please don't annotate on my screen. The only thing that's lacking is volume. All right. So even though you'll have the right levels, maybe you don't have enough volume in the markets at that current time to give you the move. Okay, so we've got to wait and watch, and we've got to see. All right, I'm going to set up an order for the gold sells, you guys. Give me a quick second. Okay, MetaTrader. Sorry, guys, give me 1 second. Okay, gold's testing out the EMA. Gold sells. Why does everyone think gold is going to sell? I have my reasons, but why do y'all think gold's going to sell? I'd like to know from our existing community. 20 seconds to news. All right, my order is set. This is market open. Let's have a good one. Oof, wow. All right, okay. I got triggered in and I'm running big fucking time. I'm liquidating this position. I'm liquidating this position right now. 21.35. Boom! Who's catching that with me? The goddamn sells on gold. I freaking love this. I freaking love this, okay? Liquidate. 280. Awesome, guys. I just pulled out my bigger position for 280 bucks a pip, and I now have $20 a pip still running in these markets. I want to know who caught that with me. We spoke about gold selling off. Like I said, I couldn't get the answer from you guys naturally because we didn't have enough time, but I really do want to know why you guys thought gold was going to sell. I had every reason in terms of my technicals to tell me that gold is going to sell off. But what was it that made y'all think that? And I want to see W's in the goddamn chat. That was a beautiful move. Let me mute YouTube for a second. Guys, what a fucking sexy move. Alright, so I want to tell you all what I did on gold. I had a little bit of an order that was, not a little bit, I had a good order that was sitting in this region. When I started seeing price get that rejection, I was like, fuck it. You know, I'm going to get in on this and get the drop down. I caught about a 4 or 5 pip spread on this, and the second it tanked, boom, I caught 6,440 bucks and 280 bucks a pip. Do the math, I'm gonna come back. All right, guys, insane, lovely, lovely. All right, sorry YouTube, I was just talking to our private members on Zoom. Did anyone on YouTube catch that sexy move that gold just gave us? And I'm currently still on gold. Okay, I'm in on gold with 20 bucks a pip, running by about 30 pips right now, 30 pips, and I'm gonna change this to break even, let it do its thing. If I get that zone fill, then I'm gonna be running by another 30 pips, so that could be a 60 pip move for me. If not, I'll get stopped out at break even. Zoom, you guys know how much I made anyway. I made 30 pips on this move. I'm happy. Did the indices do something, guys? I'm sorry, gold was so sexy that I didn't look at the end. Oh, okay. All right, so the indices are doing it as well. Beautiful drop on Nasdaq, guys. Be careful. All right, Nasty is dropping. Space, what's the DXY looking like? I'm gonna have the DXY open here as well, guys. Give me a quick second. Getting rejected. Okay, Overbought on the DXY. Let's take a quick look. Let's do a quick top down on the DXY as well, okay? Okay, solid. We have to head to the daily. Let's catch some nice resistance coming in. Right there, there, there. Okay, that's a nice level on the dollar. We've got our low on the dollar right here. Let's switch over to the fives. Okay, beautiful structure in this region. Let's catch that. Let's catch that. And we're good. Okay, so we're coming into some supply on the DXY right over here. Okay, let's see how they react to this region. Okay, and I'm gonna switch this guy over here. So the sells on the dollar, guys, are gonna be down below here. Oops, my bad. Sells on the dollar will be down here. Alright, now the reason I've charted up the DXY for y'all is let's try to see the correlation or the inverse relation that we have with gold. Okay, now my thing is maybe we could break slightly higher, fill this zone, start to get rejected on the DXY and pick back up on gold. Alright, my runner is in on this as we speak, and I am looking at beautiful, guys, 40 pips on 20 bucks on my runner, 40 pips and counting. I freaking love this. What a day, man. Insane, insane. And look at Nasdaq. Who's in on Nasdaq? US 30. Everything is selling off as we talk, guys. This is intense. I freaking love it, but just know that this move's not gonna last too long. Alright, just know that. How many of y'all got that, guys? Clean moves. Even though they're only impulses, but whether you like it or not, they're bloody clean moves. Okay? Gold is falling, baby. Yes, it is. Guys, this is insane, man. This is insane. It's almost messed up to think how we can cheat these markets. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's the hard work, it's the grit, it's the determination that makes us do what we do, you guys. And again, everything we do for y'all. Okay, so I want to take a second and I want to thank you guys, because if it weren't for y'all, we wouldn't be doing Forex trading. Well, we'd still be trading Forex for ourselves. We wouldn't have Forex trading, as you guys can see with the logo behind me. We appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much. What a life, guys. What a life. We are so fortunate to be in the spot that we are. On Dirty, W Session, Awesome Current, W3K bagged, lovely Parv. And since we all the crown, you can guess when Nasdaq would probably get rejected. Appreciate you, brother. Gold may fall more, absolutely. Gold does have room, but again, this is going to be, so I'm going to switch this up now. Alright, look at that, guys. Serious buyers that could step in over here. Okay, look at that steep drop. The dollar is currently respecting our supply that's now turned into demand. Let's see if we want to get a slightly higher high and hit that. Guys, I'm going to liquidate my 20 bucks a pip as well. I'm not giving away no money, right? My 20 bucks a pip is running 50 pips for 1,000 bucks. And I just liquidated 958 bucks, all right? Close to 10 pips. Beautiful W. Beautiful freaking W. I see people leaving the stream already. The ungrateful ones. It's all good. They made their money. They walked away as long as they got something off of the session. That's all that matters. But lovely freaking moves. This is the beauty of Forex. I mean it. On days like these, all you have to do is work 5 minutes. Literally, even on London today, I was on Cash's session for the first 10 minutes. DAX gave me the move. Boom. Done. Made my money. Got out. Sat for New York. Literally, we've been live for 20 minutes, out of which I was in a trade for maybe 10, not more, and not even with my bigger position. When I say trade, I'm talking about my runner. And we're done for the day. We're fortunate to be able to make money in these markets the way we do, guys. People struggle their asses off doing a day job, and sadly, they're not able to even make a small percentage of what we can achieve in these markets. I feel for them. You guys should too. All right, make sure those people come to Forex trading, because I promise you guys, we're changing lives here at Forex trading. The messages I get from you guys, the messages Cash gets, the success stories, it just shows us that we're actually here making a difference in your lives. And it's crazy. It's crazy to think about it. We're so fortunate to be able to do this for you guys, and we promise we're always gonna continue to. Okay. My mom says you want to make money, sell gold with Forex. I love that, buddy. Thank you so much. Okay, and as you can see, this is the reason I liquidated my position. Not gonna cry, not gonna complain. I am happy, you guys, happy. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna call it a session. I'm gonna call it quits. 20 minutes. That's all we need. Okay. We had the gold move, which I think is definitely at least a 50 pip move. All right. Like I said, I sold gold all the way from there, but this is a nice 38, 39 pip drop on gold. Nasdaq is still tanking, retest, rejection, and a continued push to the downside. $40 pip move on Nasdaq, 36 pip move on the US 30, and we haven't even done market open. How crazy is that? Does anyone have any questions, guys? Today it doesn't get cleaner than today. Does anyone have any questions? Because if y'all do, I will answer it. If not, I'm hopping out. Okay, Zoom, stick on the call. I'm going to end YouTube and be back. YouTube, thank you guys so much for coming. Listen, we're not like these other streamers that you see, okay? We don't like staying on for 2, 3, 4 hours. We like coming for market open, for news releases, doing what we do and getting out of these markets, okay? If you guys want to join what we're doing for absolutely free, F-R-E-E, free. Okay, click the link in the description, join our Discord server, and hop on to our private Zoom call that's happening simultaneously. All right, there is a latency issue with YouTube, so you're going to be seeing the streams a couple of seconds late. You have no reason to be on YouTube, to be honest. Hop on to Zoom. We have a lot of people, the chat's going crazy, and people discuss their ideas, people discuss their entries. If you guys want to get in on that, just click on the link in the description and join the Forex Trading Discord server. All right, thank you, YouTube. I appreciate you guys as always. We will be back for you all tomorrow, and we appreciate you guys. All right, take it easy, YouTube. Signing out. Bye. That was a freaking 22-minute session on YouTube, guys. Crazy 22 minutes, and we're able to do this. It is even though I've been doing this for as long as I have, I still don't have words sometimes. It just it baffles me just to see the skill that we've been able to crack over the past 8 years, guys. It is insane, and I'm always so grateful. I'm always so grateful for this, and so is Cash. Okay. All right, let's take a quick look at gold. What was your reason for sells? That's my question. Straight up, the resistance and the supply that was kicking in here, buddy. Do you see how strong this level was? Right? You see how strong this level of resistance is that I marked up over here? We had constant flips, picked up support, picked up support, picked up support, but when we broke, it really picked up some resistance from there, right? So my only thing was, yes, we are in a steady uptrend. The markets cannot be in an uptrend for this long without the noise. You know what I mean? We need to break through that noise in order to get the moves. Now, I'm not saying that gold's going to be bearish through and through, but what was going on in my mind was when the volume kicks in, when catalyst kicks in. So when the news releases, we would look to break this trend line, and we would have had our perfect entry on the break of this support, and that's what we got. So that was my reasoning based off of the technicals on the sells. And like I say, guys, our trading style is the simplest. We're not like these other streamers that overcomplicate things so that their audience doesn't understand anything they're saying, and they're like, oh, okay, this guy's speaking trading jargon, so yeah, he knows what he's doing. No. We literally use baby language with you guys. And I keep telling everyone on the one-on-ones, I keep telling you guys as well, our style of trading only and only has 5 things to it: support, resistance, supply, demand, break of structure. When I say break of structure, I also mean trend continuations and trend retracements. But what we do is we identify structure, guys. And of course, we've built our eye to spot these key levels the way we do. And I understand it's not that easy to do. It's something that comes with time, but that's why you've got to let us do what we do for y'all. You know what I mean? And we use risk management with it. That's about it. It's why we're so indicator light, and it's why we're able to be consistent in these markets, irrespective if a bullish pattern wants to be bullish or bearish. I am late. What's going on here? Banked Pips. Yes, sir. We did. A little late today. Shahrukh Nawaz. A little late. But, yeah. Okay. Babe, how many people caught the one-on-ones? How many? 2 slots to go? 2 slots to go, you guys. 2 slots to go for the one-on-ones, right? And like I said, we are... Wait, did your booking from today come through or no? Okay, the booking from today didn't come through. So we have 3 slots to go. And guys, this is going to be us closing off the one-on-ones. Why are we closing off the one-on-ones? Because Cash and I, we're booked for 2023. How freaking crazy is that? We have the last few slots that are gonna be filled by 3 more people, 3 of y'all, and then till December 15th, we have all our dates booked. The reason I say December 15th is because I'm taking off from the one-on-ones December 15th to Jan 15th, so I'm not going to be doing no one-on-ones for that 1 month. Cash and I are going to be chilling, going to be spending some much needed time together, and we're going to be doing our thing. Yes, of course, we're still going to be producing the streams for you guys. We're not going to do that to y'all, but that's all that we're going to be doing for a month, okay? So 2023 completely booked. If you guys want to hop on, 3 of y'all have the chance to still hop on. Those one-on-ones are real gold. Thank you so much, DeepMind. I appreciate you, brother. But now's your time, okay? And message up on the general chat, say hi, interested in the one-on-ones. Cash will DM you with the details, or if you guys find it easier to open up a support ticket, then go ahead and do that, and someone from the team will send you that information and get you guys booked up. All right, guys, we want to close this, we want to get done with it, so the ones that want to hop on, make it happen. All right, and yeah, solid day. Lovely day, as always. Classic Forex day. We are going to be live. You have London tomorrow, right? We're going to be live for both London and New York tomorrow. People are asking buys for gold. Buys for gold. I'd wait to go back up there. And to be honest, if you want the real buys to kick in, which could, you're looking for this move, buddy. In all honesty. All right? Because this is the 50% retracement or the 618 level of this bearish trend of the swing high to the swing low. So you can always expect a reaction from the golden level like we did, and now you'd want to break back that golden level in order to push forward. Okay, so I personally wouldn't be looking for any buys in this zone. I'm not going to be trading no more today, you guys. I had 2 big W's on the session, and go ahead and post up on success stories. Okay, trust me when I say this. Nobody is giving you this information for free, and especially the way we do. The only thing that we ask for in return from you guys are success stories and some lousy Twitter posts. All right? Literally, there are people, and I've been part of these groups myself in my early days, that charge anywhere between $500 to $1,000 to send you signals that technically every freaking group is sending the same signal. I have people that message me, I think last week, or the week before that, someone literally messaged me and they were like, Mark, bro, everyone said buy gold and I paid them $500 a month. You said sell gold, I sold gold and I made money. And I did that for free. You know what I mean? Don't fall into the trap of signals, because signals are not going to work. Signals may work for the people that are actually trading it, the ones that are sending out those signals, but that doesn't necessarily have to translate into you making money off of those signals. Don't look for shortcuts, guys, and that's one thing that we run the F away from. We're not running behind shortcuts, okay? We look to learn these markets, we look to trade price action, and we look to trade every candle for what it is. You guys would have heard of it. Price action is king. Price action is king. I vouch for that, and I will continue to for the rest of my life. Price action changed my life. It changed Cash's life. It gave us Forex trading. And trust me when I say this, guys, we're going to continue to keep pushing, because there are so many things that we still have to achieve. And I promise, the higher we go, the higher you're coming with us. All right, guys. Do we have any final questions? Because I'm going to close this session. Signals and indicators are a big no-no. Absolutely, man. You know, it's. I'm not going to sit here and say it's all a scam, but those are just the retail traders looking for shortcuts. That's all it is. Okay, and shortcuts don't make you money, guys. Once you spend time to crack the skill, that's when you have a shortcut. You know what I'm saying? Like us sitting here, half an hour a day, making our bread, moving out. If that's not a shortcut, I don't know what is. But we reach this point after putting in the time and effort. Okay? Awesome. So it doesn't look like we have any questions. Guys, today was a lovely session. Go ahead, post up on success stories. For the one-on-ones, 3 of y'all are still left. And this even applies to my existing one-on-ones, by the way. If you guys are looking to get extensions, we have only 3 spots left, inclusive of you guys. Okay? So let's make sure to get that going, because I won't be able to fill any more people after these 3 slots. There are no dates, you know, and I don't want to get you guys booked in and give y'all a date for Jan 16th or Jan 18th, you know what I mean? So for the one-on-ones, if you guys, the existing members, if y'all want an extension, now's the time. Message Cash, make it happen. All right, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Space, my man. Take it easy. Space, I'll reply to you in a couple of minutes, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. All right, have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. I'm Mark, aka CramFX, and my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. See you all tomorrow. Bye. Have a good one. Stay away from market open if you'll have made your money, by the way. All right, don't do it. It's not worth it. Bye, guys. Thank you, Uncle. Bye, bye, bye.